Hello learners, my name is Vishaal. I am the team leader of our team AOC Tech Scouts. We have taken the Ministry of Coal and our problem statement is a chatbot which will be able to answer the queries about acts, rules and regulations which are applicable to the mining industry. Our theme is smart automation.
So the description of our idea is customer service, technical support, training and education, compliance, safety, law and order. So first of all, customer service. The AI ML based chatbot is utilized to serve both public and stakeholders. In brief, it will enable all the users to access the data from the Coal India side. And technical support. It will provide 24/7 technical support to the users. Training and education. Freshers can also access data from the website of Coal India. Compliance. Our chatbot would be a support to companies in complying with industry regulations. Safety. Our chatbot is used to provide safety features to the users. Law and order. Our chatbot could help users to comply with law by providing with guidance to meet specific requirements.
This is a basic model which shows how a chatbot basically works. A chatbot will get an input from the user which will go to the messaging platform. Over here, our messaging platform is our website in which we have created a chatbot. Then, with the help of NLP, which is natural learning processing, it will be able to understand the human speech, which will be converted to binary bits, and then go to the processor and get processed. Then it goes to the bot logic. The question is finally in the bot logic, and now it will decide how it can answer. To frame the answer correctly, it goes to sequence model. After that, the chatbot has an answer. Now, to verify the answer, it will go to all the external services, the data which has been provided to it, so it can be sure that the default answer which has made is correct. Then the final answer is finally created if we can, with the help of human innovation, give it a better answer. Then it will go to human innovation, then go to the messaging platform and give the answer. If not, it will directly go to the messaging platform and give the answer to the user. These are the technology which were used. Basically, natural language processing, machine learning, databases, artificial intelligence, and full stacks, which includes front end and back end, which was done with using JavaScript, CSS, PHP, API server, and jQuery.
So the use cases here, I want to add some extra point that we have collected authentic data from government sites. A coal mining company could use a chatbot to provide customers with information. A coal-fired plant could use a chatbot to help employees to resolve their problems regarding safety and health features. A coal industry association could use a chatbot to provide members with information. A coal mining company could use chatbot to remind employees on wearing safety gears while they were working on their mines. A coal power plant could use a chatbot to train employees with new safety features. A coal transportation company could use an embedding awareness among employees on exposure to coal dust and health problems. A coal industry association could use a chatbot to provide employees with information on health and hygiene topics. A coal industry could employ our chatbot to simplify and clarify complex acts, rules and regulations that were given in data.
These are the dependencies and how, in which ways the chatbot can be limited to its potential or given a potential so that it can go exceed its limits. The data provided to the chatbot is very important. It's because of which data, if it's not updated regularly, it may face some problems. The infrastructure should be there. If a company doesn't have an infrastructure so that the chatbot can perform its task over there, then without that, our chatbot would fail. Expertise. Since AI is at a very young age right now, so most people can understand how to work it. But throughout the coming years, it will become more and more complex, so there needs to be expertise toward that. Cost. There's a lot of behind cost which comes in maintaining a chatbot. Complexities. As I said, complexities might increase in the future, so it is very important to stay in touch. And acceptance. Since there is a small fear a big fear actually, about how AI might overtake us, so there should be some acceptance there. Now we'll be showing you our working model. This is a website in which we have created, and here's the chat. We are going to ask it a simple question about acts.
What is the major important act regarding coal industry?
As you can see, it has given a very concise answer in a short form, which can be shown that it is very precise with its answer.
The most important act regarding coal industry in India is the Coal Mines Nationalization Act 1973. This act nationalized all coal mines in India and is the central legislation determining eligibility of coal mining in the country.
Now, you may think that how it is getting this data. So, we have went to authentic sites of coal industry and we have taken around 60,000 queries, out of which a team has selected around 40,000 and inputted all the information in the API of this chatbot. Thank you very much.
Thank you.